everybody, welcome back to Gem 7 Sports Cards. I'm Gem 7. This week we had the 956 Sports Cards show um, where we had a lot of vendors and a lot of trading happening. And I'm gonna start off with showing off some pickups that I got from this past weekend. It was a great show. Go check out 956 Sports Cards Facebook group. They like to do breaks and they sell boxes as well. It's a good community, so I'd highly suggest you all go out. So here's some of my pickups. Um, I'm a TCU fan, so this Orange Disco Jalen Rager was a must buy for me. It's a nice card, pretty well centered. Um, Corners are good. Edges is decent. This guy was a beast at TCU, um, and he could definitely be a beast with the Eagles as well. So I'm excited to see him get better. Now this is a green parallel Jalen Rager. You can tell with his name and all that there in the bottom. And here's a base. Jalen Rager, see how it's silver there in his name. And here's a negative silver prism right here. And then a base prism. And then a rookie ticket. Rookie mem card. Uh, Trying to see if it's player worn. It's not from any specific game or event, so I still really like this card. Now these next cards are my investment pile. This is um, my prediction in for next year on who's gonna break out this year. I really think this guy could go off next year. Van Jefferson. Bought this one for a couple bucks. Red. There's a little crease here, so I'm not too worried about that. Only paid a couple dollars for this one. And I got a absolute base. I bought this one at the show. Green Van Jefferson mosaic. Looks nice and clean. Little scuffing here in the corner a little bit. And then a red cracked ice Van Jefferson. And then a Don Russ. Looks like a green. No, there's another card back here. Or that might be just. No, I think something's blocking that. But I didn't really want these because they're college uniform, but I still ended up getting them anyways. By the way, this one is a rated rookie too. That's a plus. Yes, I got these two score and college optic. Mrs. Jalen Rager base, and then this one's probably the best find. This is a rookie and stars freshman orientation. Two color patch, where you can see the stitching there of Van Jefferson RPA, and this one is 25 of 25. So definitely a beautiful card. I tried getting some more autos, but the booth that I went to, they had literally just sold a black Van Jefferson and I think a red auto of Van Jefferson, like literally right before I got there. So I was kind of bummed about that, but it's whatever. And then being a teacher and all that, we sometimes get lucky with the leaders that we have in our schools. And one of our leaders knew that I'm in the sports card hobby. So with mine and my buddies goodie bag, he put some some packs in here, some nice packs. So we're gonna definitely open up here on stream. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. We got the 2020 Donruss. I was definitely gonna go probably second to last with the mosaic. My buddy that he got cards for actually pulled a Genesis Joe Burrow. So I'm kind of hesitant to even open this this pack up. So not too much for that. So I'm gonna put this one second. Then the playoffs. It's a nice little product. Um, nice cheap little product. And then we have the Panini right here, 2018. So I forgot who's in that draft class to be honest. And then we got a 2020 playoff pack and a 2019 Prism. So we're looking for Kyler in this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and order them like this. Got my top loaders, sleeves ready. Got these stands ready for a showroom. Okay, so here we're going Philip Lindsay. Okay, this is the collegiate football trading cards. So these are the college uniforms. So we got Philip Lindsay, and we have Emmett Smith, Cowboy great. Then we got Ray Lewis and Michael Thomas. Nothing too great there at all, really. Adjust the light real quick. All right, now let's get the Panini 2018. The Saquon's here. I believe it's Saquon's year. I think this last year's the second year. All right, so we got Landon Collins, Jordan Lewis, Gronk, Julio Jones, Teddy Bridgewater. We got insert human highlight reel TY. I didn't off-year this year, but now he's going to adjust another quarterback. Deshaun Jackson, Hassan Reddick, and then a bogus kid reporter. Like I said, I'm kind of worried about these backs here. Now we're going with the playbook, 2020 playbook. Marlon Mack. We got a mem card or an auto. Oh, we got an auto. Tyree Cleveland. Okay. Definitely roll of the dice, but with something like this, you don't question about getting an auto. Come on, get in there. I'm gonna put down right here. Then we have a zoning commission, Nick Chubb, Keyshawn Vaughn, the rookie, and Quez Watkins. Honestly, I think I was gonna pull anything decent, so I'm really happy with this auto. Let's go playoff. I have participated in quite a few breaks for playoffs, so this is my first time actually ripping it by hand. So we got Juju, stick it together a little bit. Stephon Diggs, Marlon Mack, Call to Arms, Patrick Mahomes. There you go. Okay, I've been collecting him, so perfect. Brian Burns, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones. Again, I'm really high on Van Jefferson next year. If I were you, I would definitely start looking into his cards because now he has Matthew Stafford. Robert Woods had a good year. Put this right here. Robert Woods had a good year, and Cooper Kupp had a good year. So a lot of the defenses will be focusing more on them. Um, so he could definitely be the number three that really breaks out this year. All right, so that's my prediction. And since he has Matthew Stafford, um, there's one of those that you just have to roll the dice with him. Now he actually has a quarterback that was thinking the ball a lot more than Jared Goff would. I don't really see anything here, so I don't think we're going to pull anything from this one here. So here we go. Devontae Adams, Alvin Kamara. I'm a Texans fan. I'm honestly jumping ship to the Cardinals because I'm not a big fan of what's going on in Houston. Um, but I do think Deshaun is definitely in the wrong in whatever he's trying to prove. Ooh, and then a will to win, Lamar Jackson. Again, my buddy did pull a Lamar. I mean not Lamar. Genesis Joe Burrow. So didn't have too much hope for that. Now hopefully we can pull a Herbert from here. Here we go. I do see something silver in here, so hopefully it's a Herbert. Here we go. Chris Carson. To Taysom Hill. Marcus Allen. Back-to-back Raider to Josh Jacobs. Let's see who's. Okay, this is a Colts. Hopefully it's a Jonathan Taylor or a Michael Pittman. The Raider rookie. Jacob Eason. Okay. Let's go ahead and Steve him up. Put him in front of the van. I should put the van down, put him up here. We got a Derek Brown, rookie, John Ross, and Benny Snell. Alright, so that's going to conclude. Really, these are the hits. The Van Jefferson, Lamar Jackson will win. Then you got the silver refractor Jacob Eason, Patrick Mahomes, and a auto Tyree Cleveland. Check out my latest videos, the NBA hoops um, openings. I have two videos coming up on that. The first one is crazy. I do have a sick Lamelo Ball cards coming up on there, and being in Texas, we had the freeze. We had a little event happen during the video, so that's definitely something to go check out. So please be on the lookout for that. Again, follow me on my social media pages. You can see them down here, and they'll be in the description below. Subscribe, like, comment on this video. Follow me on my Facebook group page, Gem7 Sports Cards, on Instagram, Gem7 underscore sports underscore cards. I love talking to people on there. We talk about breaks and cards to trade. So definitely go follow me on there. All right, I appreciate it. Please be on the lookout for please be on the lookout for my videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.